everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm here to bring you guys my Walmart Ibotta haul. So as I was shopping throughout the store, then the Weekend Warrior did pop up. So I needed 15 rebates to get $5 and I'm like, yes, we will do that. And then there's a new bonus that popped up where you need, it's called Fun Money, where you need 42 rebates to get $10. So we're gonna hit that one too. So don't worry about it, we got that. So I'm gonna share with you guys everything that I got today at Wally World. So it's funny, like, I know when prices go up, like, it's so funny, like, I have everything, how much I knew everything was to a T, because these used to be $4.18, and now they went up to $5.12. So it's like, it's crazy, like, how well I know prices at Walmart, because just from getting the same things over and over again. But we got the poise pads. I wanted to do the Kotex, but a lot of things ended like right this morning or last night, so I didn't do the Kotex. But we got the poise pads. These were $5.12. I used a 5 off a 2 insert coupon, paid $5.24, but then you get a $2 rebate with Ibotta and a $2 rebate with Ibotta, making these just $1.24 or 62 cents, if I'm doing that math right. It's an okay deal. I've been just really craving these cookies. These cookies taste very similar to what I call Samoa's. I can't remember the other name. There's like 2 different Girl Scout names, but I call them Samoa's, otherwise caramel light bars. I don't know what they're called. But anyways, these taste very similar. So these were $2.70. You'd pay $2.70. But then there is a 50-cent rebate with Ibotta. And then I also had a 10-cent cookie rebate. So that's considered 2 rebates right there. And then I finally was happy my store had these in stock. So these are the Clorox To Go wipes. There is 9 wipes in each pack. These are 97 cents each. Buy 2 of them, you'd pay $1.94, but then you get $1.75 off a 2 back with Ibotta, making these just 19 cents. So great deal for 19 cents. Now this one was the only one available. The other one was not available, so that is okay because my husband likes taking these to work. So these were 96 cents. You'd pay 96 cents for it, but then there is a 20-cent rebate with Ibotta, making this just 76 cents. You also get Fetch Reward points for purchasing the Cheetos, and I forgot to mention you also get Fetch Reward points for purchasing the Poise. So I had a deal with Lysol that's like ending in a couple days, where if you spend 12 you get a $3,000 points, which is $3 bonus. So I just needed to spend like $12.92. So what I ended up buying is 2 of the Lysol wipes, because we use wipes like crazy. These were $2.48. I used a 50-cent off coupon, 2 50-cent off coupons for this. Paid $1.98 for it, but then you get a 50-cent rebate with Ibotta. So each of these come out to be just $1.48 if you want to go ahead and do those. So got those. And then I ended up doing the Lysol Neutral Air. These were $3.97. I don't know what coupon you would work for this, but if you do scan the coupons.com app, there is a 50-cent coupon that you can use for that. So basically you'd pay $3.97 for this, but then you get 2 50-cent rebates with Ibotta. So there's 2 different rebates that are going with this one, and you also get the 50 cents back with coupons.com. So this comes up to be just $2.47. And then I ended up getting the Lysol laundry sanitizer. So this was $4.86. I used a $1.50 off insert coupon. You would pay $3.36, but then you get a $1.50 back, making this just $1.86. So since I bought it, I got all these. So it came out to be, and I got my 3,000 points, but after coupons it came to $7.29. But I ended up getting it, my 3,000 points, and then the 3 Ibotta rebates, and then the coupons.com. So this came out to be just $4.29 or $1.07 each for these. So I thought that was a pretty good deal, and we always like using the Lysol wipes. I hear my baby coming downstairs. The next item I have is the Sweet Baby Ray's in the honey mustard. Now the bigger Sweet Baby Ray's, the bigger Sweet Baby Ray's, it's right here, Charlotte. It is the same price for $1.97, but it would, or $1.98, but the rebate was not working for it. You had to get the bigger one. Charlotte, here you go, honey. So for this one, you'd pay $1.98. You submit a $1 rebate with Ibotta. It comes out to be just 98 cents. So my husband likes using honey mustard, so we ended up doing that. I just did the Teozo tea. This deal was ending soon anyways, and my husband really, every time I get this, he drinks it right away anyways. So this was $1.68. You'd pay $1.68 for it, but then there is a 75-cent rebate with Ibotta, making this just 93 cents. So got that for him. I ended up doing the Head and Shoulders deal again, because why not stock up on it when you can. So these were each $3.43. I used a 3 off of 2 insert coupon. You'd pay $3.86 for this, but then you can submit a $1 rebate and a $1 rebate with Ibotta, making these just $1.86 or 93 cents each. And I will take it because why not? Why not? My husband loves that stuff, and so does my father-in-law and my stepdad, so they all use that stuff. Got the right guard. Now these were $3.88. I used a 4 off of 2 insert coupon, paid $3.76 for this, but then there is a 60-cent rebate with Ibotta, so you're gonna times that by 2. So it comes out to be just a $2.56 or $1.28. I usually say go for $1 for deodorant, but that's okay. It's been a while since I've actually couponed for Right Guard. So I ended up doing the Splenda Liquid. These were $3.83. I used a 4 off of 2 insert coupon, paid $3.66 for the both of these, but then there is a $1 rebate with Ibotta times 2, so it comes out to be just $1.66 or 83 cents each if you guys want to stock up on that item. Okay, try to put everything back in the bag. So I ended up doing the dog food deal. Okay, the dog food deal. And where did I put it? It's on the bottom of the bag. So I did the bag, and I had the printable coupon from coupons.com. The coupon did not scan. I'm like, I'm not gonna bother calling anybody to enter it for me. So what I ended up doing is just took the coupon back, and I just submitted my coupon to coupons.com. So this was $5.98. If you guys can use that $2 off coupon, that's awesome. So you either pay $3.98 or $5.98. But with Shopkicks, you get 1,020 points for purchasing and scanning the product, which is $4.08. Now, when it's on the screen, it shows up that it's 1,000 points. When I was submitting my receipt, it showed up it was only 400 points. I can't remember what it was showing up as. So I ended up screenshotting it, so because I was going to contact customer service, but then when I went back to see what my pending receipt is, it showed 1,000 points. So kind of weird, but anyways, you get $4.08 back with Shopkicks, and then like I said, if you didn't use the coupon, you can submit your receipt to the coupons.com. And I got my money like super fast today. It was awesome. So I got $2 back. So this comes out to be a 10-cent moneymaker. I did scan the other one that they have, but it wasn't working. No, that was the other. There's 2 different options, but my neighbors have a dog that I always give dog food to, so they'll enjoy that. Got the Good Thins. These were $2.56. You paid $2.56 for it, but then there is a $1 rebate with Ibotta, making it just $1.56. And the last item I got these because I wanted my son to try these because he really likes Cheez-Its, so maybe he can't tell the difference with these. So these would be perfect for like his lunchbox. So these were actually, what happened? I got one more item for you guys. These were $6.94. I used a $3 off insert coupon. I was gonna do the puffs, but the coupon says it's a limit 1 per transaction per whatever. So paid $3.94. Yeah. But then you get $2 back with Ibotta. So this comes out to be just $1.94. So that's like 50 cents a bag, which is a decent deal. And when we had a freebie of these coupons a couple weeks ago, I was gonna go get it, and I noticed that they jacked up the price for this, because this used to be like $2.97, I think is what it was to be, or $2.76, I think is what it used to be. Now it's $3.48, $3.48. So there is a freebie coupon that you can use. The coupon goes up to $3.99, so you'll get this for free. So just wanted to share with you guys with that deal. Some of these deals end like super soon, so it just depends on what you want to do. But my total came to $49.55. I ended up, and then I received a 50-cent any coffee. No idea what I bought to trigger that, but I got a 50-cent any coffee. But I received $20.50 back with Ibotta. With Shopkick, I received 1,030 points, but we're just gonna do 1,020 because I didn't factor in that 10 extra points for walking in the door. So I got $4.08 back with Shopkick. With Fetch Reward, I received 3,314 points, which is $3.31. I forgot to mention that the Tazo Tea is also a Fetch Rewards product with a Lysol, and the Airwick is a Fetch product. So got that, and then coupons.com, I got $2.50 back. And then I finished the Weekend Warrior because I needed 15 rebates, and I did receive 17 rebates out of everything that I got. So, and then I just have 17 out of the 42 for the Fun Money $10 rebate. So my grand total came to $14.16. I just 64 cents each. I got 22 items at 64 cents each. So it's an okay deal. Like I said, I always try to get it under 10, but you know what? I think for 14 bucks for everything that I got, I think I'm pretty happy considering the one dog food's like $6 right there, and I don't know what other expensive items I got, but I just wanted to share with you guys my haul. I hope you enjoy it. If you guys haven't already, there's an app, and I'm not trying to push it, but I'm just saying, there's an app called Miles. Miles is an app where basically it just records your location. So you have to have your location on your phone all the time, but you get points for every like mile or however distance you drive, and it can add up because you and me both are always going places. Between going here and there and there and there, it adds up. So there's an app called Miles where all you do is you join, and then when you guys join, you want to get your family and friends to join, because there's like a time where you can actually get bonus points for doing this. So like right now, if you guys would join, and you have to do a minimum of 3 miles for five times is what it was. But if you get your friends to join, you'll end up getting a $100 Amazon gift card. So all you need to do is you join. You can use my referral link, and then you get up to 5 friends to join, and they have to do 5. It's confusing. It's confusing. They have to do 5 3-mile trips between the January 6th and January 9th, and then you'll get a $100 Amazon gift card. So this is a great way to get your friends and family to join. And then every once in a while they have where you get a bonus, like this is new goals. So all I'm gonna do is just, it's already in there, and then I just save it. So I just got 500 miles. So, and then you can get gift cards. It's mostly just Amazon gift cards, but there are some freebies that you can do too. So definitely recommend it if you guys haven't already, but I have enough for a $10 gift card. It's not much, but hey, I will take it just by me driving around doing nothing. So thanks for watching. I will see you guys later. Have a good day. Bye-bye.